Wrinkles loves to roll on the newspaper. He loves that freshly printed smell. Oops, there he goes. When he's done rolling in it, he likes to try to eat it. We don't let him eat it, of course. Just nibble a little. Nice impression. Yay, wrinkles. Yeah. Yay, wrinkles and Bri.